Hey, so I just want to share a little bit about how I got here with you. All right, and first of all, I want to say thank you for landing here and for looking for something better, because these days things are changing. Okay, and you have taken the right step in trying to make or earn some extra money online. All right, I've basically been through the process. I've come out of the other end where I've learned quite a bit and quite a lot, and now I know exactly how to go about making money online. And I want to share some of those strategies, some of those opportunities with you. Right, there are tons of opportunities out there, but there's one in particular that I would like to share with you today, and it's a 15-day business builder challenge. All right, with this, it teaches you everything that you need to know. It takes you from, we basically develop some mindset, all right, and then we take you all the way to building sales pages and how to sell. And what you really want to know is how you make money. All right, so it also teaches you how you can market someone else's product, all right, in terms of what we call affiliate marketing. So how you can market somebody else's product. You don't need to have any product to sell, right? We'll show you all of that, how you can take somebody else's product and go and start making money. And you can even start today, really. But I would advise you first to do the 15-day builder challenge, because I'll be honest with you, nothing in life comes easy, right? So you might think, well then, yes, I want to make quick money. I don't think there's any way to make quick money, all right? It took me a while, and I'm still basically learning, and I'm still basically going through the whole process, right, of making money online, because it doesn't matter what people say to you, there's nothing fast and easy. There's a strategy, all right? You need to start from one end, walk your way up. If you're a good marketer, if you're a good salesperson, then you can start making money today by basically jumping out and go and offer products online and promote stuff online. There's a thing called clickbank. You can do that. But if you want to build a sustainable business, then you need to basically go through this training, right? Because things are changing. If you look around today with all this coronavirus and everything, all right, a lot of businesses are going to go online. And I think this is the perfect opportunity for you to start building a business online, because you could have a business where you sell other people's products constantly and make thousands and thousands, and if you're really good at it, millions. All right, but it is possible. Anything is possible if you put your mind to it, and if you're willing to start earning, all right, instead of looking for quick wins. I don't think there are any quick wins, all right? I'm not gonna fool around with you, all right? In order to build a sustainable business, you need to put in the work, and it takes a lot of work. But once you get it done, once it's set up and running, then you can sit back and just keep basically tweaking and changing things and running ads, and before you know it, you'll be on your way. Okay, so without any further ado, what I want you to do, there's a button below this video. I want you to click on it and then go over and watch what we have to offer. If you choose to opt in, take the challenge that we're offering you, it's only going to cost you about $7. All right, and there's a ton on. Believe me when I say there's a ton of information that you will actually. Well, I would pay even a lot more for, because when I first saw it, I was like, there's no way I'll pay this is cost £7, because the value that you're getting from it, right? It's so much value that it's unbelievable, all right? And this is we build a community and everything like that, and trust me, you really want to check it out, all right? So go ahead, click on the button below, watch the short video that we have with Dave, and see what we have to offer. You have nothing to lose and all to gain. So go ahead, click on the button, and I'll see you on the other side. Bye.